The Honorable Chief Minister just chaired a meeting to discuss about the sudden load shedding which we have had to impose due to the regulation by NTPC, and the meeting discussed the reasons why this has taken place, and also we have owing to the urgency of the situation and to the fact that this is very close to examination time and many students are preparing for the exams, we have taken a decision that I should go to New Delhi to meet the Honorable Minister of Power, Singh ji, to put our problems and our challenges in front of him so that we can find an early solution to this. There is an order from Ministry of Power which came out in the year 2019 which states that all load dispatch centers, be it national or be it regional, they will only schedule power after the information is received from generating companies about the status of letter of credit. It is now after this order from Ministry of Power, it has been made mandatory that all distribution companies, discoms, will provide a letter of credit against outstanding dues to the concerned generating companies, and only on the basis of provision of this LC will power be then made available to the distribution companies. So because of this this clause in this order, the fact that our LC was encashed by NTPC, which happened a few months back, and there is no LC in place, and the demand is by NTPC that we must now immediately, because they've encashed the last one, give a fresh new LC. So they have gone ahead and written to the regional load dispatch center about the lack of LCs. Basically, letter of credit comes to an amount of about 18 crores roughly. Make an LC, make a letter of credit and make it available to them for now. Till we resolve this matter, that's why I'm making a trip to New Delhi tomorrow to try and meet the Honorable Minister of Power, Sangma. NTPC, we have stopped drawing power from them since 2017, if I'm not wrong. And however, even though we do not draw power because of their very high tariff, despite that, we still have had to pay them fixed charges, or they have charged us fixed charges. And this fixed charges has accumulated over the years, although we are not drawing power from them. So this is a very unique situation where, although we are not drawing power from them, but because of the orders of Ministry of Power, they have the power to regulate our power supply, because of since the scheduling is done by the regional load dispatch centers. We have taken a loan under Atmanirbhar Bharat, as you all know, and the payments are being made to them. And the first tranche of 25% was distributed in a certain ratio to most of to all of the generating companies and also the transmission companies, and that has set in motion the process whereby we will be repaying back their outstanding dues. So that will happen, because this has been just the first tranche, that is 25% only has been paid, so it takes time. We have made a payment to NTPC in the past, but this is still a lot of outstanding dues are still left, so against which they have encashed the LC last time, and this has caused this crisis.